Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is the self-correction. We believe that in recession multiple choice, the government should encourage business spending on research and development. The economy could be below the employment of a long period of time. Only more monetary policy can effectively restore full employment. There are forces in the market that automatically move the economy back to full employment. And the answer of the question is the self-correction. We believe that there are forces in the market that automatically move the economy back to full employment. So the correct statement is there are forces in the market that automatically move the economy back to full employment. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.